Hey there, welcome to the channel and welcome to TubeAnalytics. This is my powerful software as a service platform that I'm building out using no-code tools like Claude Code and also OpenCode. I've already made some tutorials showing the development process, and in this video I want to take you through a short demo of this platform. I think this is going to be the most powerful website that I've ever built before by using both VS Code over here, and then we're also running OpenCode typically at the same time, and we're prompting using Claude Opus 4.6. So I've just got this running in its own window over here. You can see this is for building an audience intelligence and subscriber health feature, and this feature goes far beyond YouTube Studio's basic demographics by tracking subscriber engagement quality. And this is just one of the many features that I'm building into this software. So let's just go ahead and go through the platform over here. I really like the way the new design looks, and you can just read through this. Again, I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. And then we've got the pricing as well. So it's going to start at most likely $19 per month. And then the annual plan is $15 per month. Actually, on the starter plan, it's only going to allow you to track one channel. I need to fix this. And then professional is going to be up to 3 channels, and then enterprise is going to be up to 5 channels. And then if you want to start your free trial, you just click here. You can see total number of subscribers over the past 28 days. I can also zoom out to 90 days. And we can also see the views and engagement on here. This is all accurate data as well. It's coming from YouTube Analytics and the YouTube Data API. I'm using Supabase for my database, which is over here. You can see here's all of the tables. So basically VS Code is just building the migration SQL files. I could just come up to one of the SQL files right here, and all I have to do is run this. In Supabase, it will create all the tables, and that's what we're using for the backend. And if I click on one of these, it will just open it up. I am having some issues with playing the video because YouTube is very strict about allowing videos to play outside of the YouTube platform, so I'm still trying to fix this error. But you can see down here the overview, total number of views, engagement. You've got the retention in here as well, which you can normally only get access to inside YouTube Studio. We've got it built directly into the platform over here. You can also see traffic, and you can see your SEO and optimization scores here as well. So overall 90% on this one, and it has suggestions of things that I could fix as well. And again, this is all mostly built in Node.js using VS Code. And then the next tab is going to be Analytics. So you can see, again, it's very similar to what you get in the main dashboard. But we've also got audience in here as well, so you can see your demographics, and it's broken down by desktop, mobile, TV, all of that stuff in here. For top countries, I don't have any geography data available yet because, again, this is my smaller channel. And if we go to the behavior tab, unfortunately that one's still not working yet. I need to fix that, but it should be finished soon. And this is all going to roll out to the public probably next month. I'm still doing a lot of debugging, but as you can see, it's coming together pretty quickly here. We've also got the competitor analysis tab, which allows you to track different competitors. I've just added MrBeast and Lost LeBlanc in here. And then you can actually check the analytics, comparing your channel to these channels. And also we've got gap analysis and one-on-one competition in here as well. So you can see my channel is far, far, far behind Lost LeBlanc. And you can see the subscribers, total views, all that stuff here. We've also got a trends tab as well, just to spot emerging opportunities, different things that you can post about that will most likely get a lot of views. So that's built into the platform. We've also got AI content ideas as well, and that's going to use ChatGPT essentially to come up with the AI powered ideas, and then you can obviously save those as well. So you've got a list of ideas for different videos that we might want to create for this particular channel over here. Another really powerful feature that we're going to have inside the platform is AI thumbnail testing, which was working earlier, but unfortunately it's having some bugs right now. I'm still trying to connect this up to AWS. I can actually show you a screenshot of what it looked like when it was working. So let's go ahead and open this up. You can see here I was testing 2 different thumbnails, and it's broken down into the overall score. So you've got the face, text, color, composition, and brand, everything in here. And then it also provides suggestions of things you might want to fix, as well as some strengths. And I've actually built this out to be even better using Claude Code Opus 4.6. I am blown away by what this tool can do. And as you can see, it's very detailed in terms of what it's doing here. And then pretty much all I have to do is just follow step by step and copy and paste each of these into either OpenCode, which I really, really like, or Claude Code over here. I'm currently on the $20 per month Pro plan, and I am running out of credits fairly regularly, so I basically just switch between either OpenCode, which has a lot more runtime, or I use VS Code. So for this one, we're just going to go ahead and execute the next steps. And I just tell it to execute next steps, and we'll just go ahead and continue running this particular model right here. So it's going to create API routes for audience endpoints. It's going to build the UI components for the audience dashboard, and it's going to do some other things. You can also see all of the files that have been updated here as well. So that's the AI thumbnail testing feature, and then we can also go into search. So this was basically a keyword tool. So if I type in AI automation, for example, it will pull up the search volume and then also the competition here, the difficulty level. Basically, this is just a proof of concept for now to show how this keyword tool works. So we've also got an SEO analyzer in here, title generator if you want to search for a certain topic, keyword, and then you can also choose your style here as well. And we've got the tag optimizer as well. So if I go ahead and search for Koh Samui here, it will show the suggested tabs that I can use, and then I can just copy those and put them into YouTube Studio for my specific video. So as you can see, there's a lot of features built into this that I would say is probably worth more than $19 per month. But that's what I'm going to start at, just to allow more people to access it. And we're going to offer a 7-day free trial as well. And we've also got optimization tools in here as well. So it basically shows all the recommendations, different things that you can tweak on the channel in order to get higher CPMs, more ad revenue per video. All this sort of stuff is built directly into the platform. Eventually, it will allow you to generate the report and then export it as either a PDF or email the report to yourself. So that's still a work in progress, but it's definitely coming together. I've also got multiple languages in here. So this part's currently working correctly. Notifications, if you want to get notifications, that's built in here as well. And again, anytime I change one of these things, it's just updating the Supabase database over here. So that's how we're keeping the persistence and tracking everything. There's not going to be a free plan. I'm going to remove this once it goes live to the public. But from here, you can upgrade your plan, and it has all of the pricing over here. Beautiful design, if you ask me. And you can look at all of the features that are included on each of the plans, either monthly or annual. That's pretty much the full rundown of TubeAnalytics. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to join the waitlist. This, you can just enter your full name and email address, and then you will get an email directly. And I will notify everybody once this officially goes live. It's actually already live, but it still needs quite a bit of work and debugging and testing and all that stuff. I also want to add a contact form on here as well. And again, I'm only using no-code tools to build out this entire thing. There's a lot of files. It's getting more and more complicated as the days progress. But yeah, overall, it's coming together pretty quickly. And I would love to get some early beta testers on here. So if you want to try out TubeAnalytics, drop a comment down below, check the link, and join the waitlist. We'd love to see you using the platform. Again, we're going to offer a 7-day, not a 14-day free trial. No credit card required, and you can cancel at any time. Especially if you're just getting started on YouTube, or you've been doing this for a while, you want to get your channel monetized. This is going to be one of the best platforms to use once it's finished. So hope to see you on TubeAnalytics. Post a comment down below if you got value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand. Signing off.